अलिएरी आरी पिया बिन अलिएरी आरी पिया बिन सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी।
बहुत जल्द उर्वशी रौतेला नजर आएंगी एक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग में जिसका नाम है रब्बा करे। भाई इस गाने में उर्वशी के साथ नजर आने वाले हैं शैल ओसवाल। ऐसे में आज हो रहा है इसका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। तो आइए जानते हैं उर्वशी और शील से कि आखिर कैसा रहा उनका ये सॉन्ग शूट करने का एक्सपीरियंस। भाई इनकी जोड़ी तो बेहद ही फ्रेश है। उम्मीद करते हैं कि जब ये गाना रिलीज होगा तो दर्शकों के दिलों को खूब भाएगा।
एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं कि वो गाना मैंने गाया था। जो आज की जनरेशन है, साउंड चल रहा है, साउंड पीपल नो, हीरिए सोनिए, लेकिन आई थिंक पता नहीं वो एक चीज़ बन गई, प्यारी सी मेलोडी बन गई, लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया क्योंकि उस टाइम 2006 की बात है ये। एंड आई थिंक दोस टाइम लॉट ऑफ रीमिक्सेस वर हैपनिंग, हैरी आनंद, कांटा लगा, ऑल दोस थिंग्स वर हैपनिंग, एंड देन सडनली आई थिंक व्हेन दिस ट्रैक ड्रॉप्ड, एक emotional track, with those lovely visuals and dialogues and all. तो I think वो हो सकता है कि इम्पैक्ट पड़ा हो लोगों के दिलों में, मतलब काफी यार एक चीज बन गई। It's like it's यार अब I'm getting old यार, I have to look after myself. But I think I just be happy, stay positive, get that beautiful positive energy from the universe and you throw that same energy. I just want everybody should be happy. वो हैप्पीनेस से मे बी वो वेट वो कंट्रोल में है सब कुछ। समीक्षा इज एक्चुअली शी हरसेल्फ इज एन एक्ट्रेस।
यस,
तो काफी मूवीज की हैं,
Yes.
टीवी सीरियल्स वगैरह की हैं। सो आई थिंक शी अंडरस्टैंड्स सिनेमा वेरी वेल।
राइट,
मुझे याद है साहिल, लाइक ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन
यस,
वी शॉट दिस वीडियो कॉल तेरे नाल।
यस।
उस टाइम मेरी मेट थी सिंगापुर में और मेरी असिस्टेंट थी। हमने
ठीक।
कैमरा दे दिया उनको
अच्छा,
और फ्रेमिंग समीक्षा ने कर दी कि भाई अब खड़े हो जाओ। मैंने कहा खड़े होना है? शी इज लाइक नहीं, we will make it very nice covid style kind of thing कि वो हम doctors हैं, तो I think वो I think she has that instinct, that she understands camera, she understands storytelling। अच्छी सुनते ही कोई स्टोरी दिमाग में आती है समीक्षा की। तो ये इस गाने के साथ भी she curated everything very well and I think I thank her for this beautiful creation and obviously thank you Urvashi for being part of this song।
Yeah.
क्योंकि working with her was amazing। शी इज सच अ लवली पर्सन, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा। मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि कैसी होंगी, लाइक आई मीन बिकॉज शी इज बिन हियर, हैज डन सो मेनी एल्बम्स एंड लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स। तो लेकिन कंफर्ट जोन था, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग विद योर को-स्टार।
First of all, extremely grateful and very thankful for such sweet words and very kind words. I must say, first of all, extremely elated to have all of you here. Thank you so much to all the members of media. I'm just truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, Wo Chand Kahan Se Laogi, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it
Yeah,
adds up to the filmography, and people love it even way more.
she's traveling I think everywhere। I mean मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती है, कभी वहाँ होती है, कभी यहाँ, मतलब it's really amazing। See, keeping yourself engaged with so many things and again keeping yourself so fit and fine,
That is another thing
that is
also.
no, that is something
उर्वशी का जो
is very
workout schedule है,
difficult।
उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊं।
It's very difficult यार, आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है। but I think it's all a hard work. And I'm saying, मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मज़ा आया हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा. So it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing. And obviously रब्बा करे, अभी गाना है, आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए, शेयर करिए.
That is good.
थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूँगा मैं यहाँ पर.
Thodi, we can do lots of
I know.
Urvashi,
I have to say that when I met him, I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Are you're working with Shelo Swal? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said. That you don't have to worry, and right from that moment, I didn't worry at all. And it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, at the same time, how do we say, आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that, he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman, you'll find this one thing, that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is a kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बड़ाई.
मैं बोल रहा सर.
Oh, my, thank you, Urvashi.
Absolutely right.
No, but so kind of her. I'm really kind of you. I thank you so much, and likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. I saw her that song Sanam Re. One thing good about Urvashi is that she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि वी हैव टू शो भाई दैट सिंप्लीफाइड काइंड ऑफ दैट जोन, राइट? इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो वी ऑल आर हैप्पी यार. बस अभी तो अब आपके ऊपर है. नहीं, आई थिंक इमीडिएटली या वी हैड द स्टोरी, वी हैड द स्क्रीन प्ले रेडी, एंड सो वंस शी वाज ऑन बोर्ड, दैट्स इट. वी जस्ट शॉट 2 days, and this was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Hirie. विदु गोस्वामी, तो आई कॉल हिम विदुदा, ही इज अ बंगाली. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन जी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, बट अगेन आई हैव दिस विजन दैट लेट्स मेक दिस ट्रैक अ लिटिल लाइक एज यू राइटली सेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, लिटिल अपबीट गिटार्स. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया. सो वी वर जैमिंग यार, 2-3 आई मेलोडीज. फिर फाइनल आई थॉट दैट दिस इज द वन वी शुड.
very nicely. Just
Thank
before
you,
I
thank
open
you
out
so
to
much.
Also,
I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days.
Wow.
And I just like I so love her music, be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's
Nice.
music, and I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So
you
I like
throw
that.
so many
मैं
goodies,
एक
and I
चीज-
expected
Yeah,
something
yeah,
totally different.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, I was so impressed, and I asked her like, what genre of music do you like? She's like, I love these, melodies, and तो मैंने कहा कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, someday. I mean, whenever, I
एक
told her.
एल्बम काटने का टाइम आ गया है. उर्वशी, ये
नहीं,
नहीं-
मुझे इतना, और देखो उत्तराखंड से है, तो वहाँ तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन में है, क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था, मुझे याद है वहाँ पर आई मीन पहाड़ों में ना एक्चुअली म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को. आई हैव सीन दैट, एंड आई थिंक मे बी शी इज फ्रॉम दैट स्टेट, ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट, एंड शी हैज दैट सेंस एंड शी सिंग्स. दैट वाज द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग, so
एक हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा. I'll just
अरे
have
please, you have to, I would love to, love to.
I'll have.
Oh, well, thank you so much.
It is a lot of people will not understand it, but it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's go ahead. Aliri Ari Pia Bena Aliri Ari Pia Bena सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिन सखीरी आरी पिया बिन.
एक गाना गाना चाहूंगा, चलो ये है यहाँ पर एंड आप भी सब हैं. So the song actually which kind of changed my perception, you know, for love songs, and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी. So I'll sing few lines of Hiri. तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल दा करार नी, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता, सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी है, सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है. थैंक यू.
फ्लैशबैक हो गया हमारा.
रब्बा करे ऐसा कुछ होवे, तेरा दिल मैं बन जावा, धड़कूं मैं तुझ में हमेशा, इस काबिल मैं बन जावा, मन्नतों को रहमतों में यारा तू बदल दे जरा, मेरे माही माही सुन मेरे माही, तेरे साथ साथ रहना, मेरे दिल की आस हर एक साथ सब तेरे नाम लिखना. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. पर्सनल वीडियो के लिए.
You have no, by the way, you don't have no idea that he dances also amazingly well.
नहीं. अब देखो.
एक डांस
चलिए.
स्टेप
अरे
तो
कौन सा?
बनता है.
सर,
कौन सा
देखिए,
डांस?
देखिए शुरुआत
Yes,
कैसे
yes,
हुई.
it is audience polls.
हाँ,
See,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
members of media want.
और शुरुआत ऐसी हुई कि उर्वशी गाती है, उर्वशी ने गा
जय हो
लिया.
जय.
चलिए.
ये सब.
Can we just remove the आप चेयर हटा दीजिए, है ना. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Honestly, when I came to know she's on board, so I did aggressive rehearsals for 2 days. You know, for the, especially ये तो ठीक था, but that, you know, the one step, you know, I do this, you know, all that, you know, like then going forward. But if you see her performance, she's so natural. You know, I think because she's already, you know, she knows the skills, she knows the camera, you know, how to. तो मेरे लिए dance इतना मैंने कभी किया नहीं. So for me, it was a little difficult, you know, initially. But I think, thanks to her support, you know, we did it.
As I already previously stated, that I think it's kind of rare, like only 1% out of 100% population, where you see and find a very successful, hyper successful businessman at the same time who is a creative genius as well. He is so good with the soulful, romantic tracks. At the same time, he's very versatile as well. So I think for me, creatively, it was such a great joy working on the sets, and plus at the same time, he was just so super supportive, and he was a great energy to be on sets with. Yeah. I have to say one more thing, that it's kind of tough for any artist, be it like a singer, musician, or an actor, to have such a I would say like a lifelong evergreen classic, and you have that already. So you are really very lucky and very blessed that you have something like a Hire, which is such a like a timeless classic. Yeah. I also want to add that a great round of applause to my director, who we've already worked with, Firoze Khan. It was so good, amazing working with him, because in a span of 1.5 day, like, you know, he was super fast, and at the same time such a smooth, it was so smooth to work with him. At the same time also, you know, the Miss Samiksha Oswal as well, for such a smooth ride and helping us creatively. So a big round of applause to them and to the entire team. Did a brief abhi ek performance there, especially
हाँ.
आप सभी के लिए. I think
Yeah.
आपने देखा.
जी.
हाँ जी, देखा. I would say it would be like something pop.
Oh wow.
Maybe something pop, and something very, how do I say, like a something dance oriented. Yeah.
Sure.
And guys, देखना ना भूले Daku Maharaj P, मेरी आने वाली film with Balakrishna Garu, Bobby Deol in it. It is produced by Sitara Entertainments and directed by Bobby Kohli ji. Thank you so much for giving such an amazing response to the teaser of Daku Maharaj. More than 1.3 crore views, and for making it on the top trending list at the same time. Isme, I do have a lot of action sequences, and I play a police officer. So you'll get to see me in a very completely different avatar. और हमारी फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है मकर संक्रांति को, तो जैसे कि आप उस बारे में पूछ रहे थे, तो प्लीज देखिए एंड डू लेट मी नो व्हाट यू फील अबाउट डाकू महाराज. थैंक यू. No, I mean like not that, but abhi I'm really excited to see all the Rabba Kare, upcoming
Videos,
trending reels
yeah,
and everybody doing the dance steps, and like I'm really looking forward to some really very creative reels of Rabba Kare. Yeah. In this really exotic world island, and it is such a cute and small, sweet island, and we all were there. I think there were not so many people.
Not too many people.
But it was so aloof, very peaceful, and also had the great energy on sets like you and Shell's energy. So I think it was really amazing while shooting in the island and doing our shots, enjoying the beautiful water, the sea, and the cruise. So I think that was a really nice.
मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट.